Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to split card table in alphabetical order in WooCommerce. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we will add custom code. Now on card page, you see different product. Now go to add plugin and write here WP code and then you see WP code insert header and footer. So you will install this plugin and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snippet and then click on add snippet. Then you see add your custom code, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section, open and scroll down, you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select and then select PHP snippet and then paste code here and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, so enable this. Now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Now go to card page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see alphabetical order. Now you see Canon camera C and gadgets G and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.